welcome to another weekly vlog. I'm starting the vlog late. On the way to meet my friend, we're going to the rodeo, and I decided to take you guys along with me. Alright, you guys, we made it to the rodeo. It is so packed, and it's a Wednesday. But it's so cool here. It just looks like a big bear. We're trying to get on a ride, but he's scared.
Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. Missionary getting boring, can't switch positions. Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been a baby, every reminiscing, every other missing. You wish it was leaving the
Another day. Today is actually Thursday. Shoot, I forgot I parked all the way downstairs. As you see, I'm on my way out. I'm meeting a friend. We're gonna grab some dinner, some drinks, see where the night takes us. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Y'all, I have not been doing anything. Literally, euphoria has me in a chokehold. That's all I've been doing. Waking up, watching euphoria, going out, running to do something, and then coming home and watching euphoria. That's all I've been doing. I feel like I have not been as productive as I wanted to be during this week off of work. I've just been sleeping, watching euphoria, and chilling. But it's all good. But I will hit you guys whenever I get to the spot. Not a raindrop hitting me in the face. Shoot. Guys, I don't know where it is. Let me put the directions in my phone. I'm so lost. I don't know. Should I walk this way? Yeah. I think. We'll see. If I get lost, at least you guys are with me. Alright, 30 minutes later, I found it. Whew, now I need a drink.
Get it. She want the break, go get it. She want this quick, she can get it. She want this Louis, go get it. Lose with the spice, she get it.
Hey guys, I'm with Beth. Hey guys! We just left La Calle. It took us so long to try to find parking. As y'all saw, I got lost. I was like vlogging me getting lost. It was so hard though, I don't know why. It was. But yeah, the tacos were good, but the drinks were very weak, so we decided to go somewhere else to get another drink. So we're going to Crew.
Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she.
I feel like they can't even hear me. It's St. Patrick's Day, and we had no idea.
we're not wearing any green,
Guys, welcome back to another day in my life. So yesterday was really funny. After the place that I was at, when I was on my way home, one of my friends was like, oh, I want to come out to camp. So I ended up going out to camp. I'll insert a couple clips. I don't think I was even like filming like on my phone that much, but it was a lot of fun. And then yeah, that was pretty much it. And then this morning I had a meeting to go to, and that's why I'm dressed up like this. But yeah, I'm actually really tired and exhausted. So I stopped by Starbucks and I got my coffee. And anytime I get coffee, I have to have a venti water. It's a must. And then I stopped by and picked up some lunch on the way in. I get Thai food. I'm obsessed with Thai food. That's my favorite food ever. But yeah, y'all. So I'm about to chill. I was talking to my friend yesterday and I was telling her how like this week I had high hopes for myself. I was like, you know, I'm gonna be on top of my content. I'm gonna pre-film videos. But I literally have not filmed a single video and it's Friday. Y'all, I've just been catching up on my sleep. Literally, like I've been sleeping in every single day, just resting, and I feel so good. Honestly, I feel like it was much needed. And I've been binge watching Euphoria. I'm almost done with season 2. So I've just been chilling, living my best life this week. And I'm trying not to be so hard on myself because I am like my biggest critic and I get really hard on myself. I'm like, why didn't I film? Like, I'm over here trying to be consistent. Like, this is the time that I have to like, but I guess I was just kind of not burnt out of like this stuff, like filming and like social media. Like, I love doing stuff like this, but I guess I was so burnt out of work and it didn't really hit me until this week. Like, y'all, I've been sleeping in until like 11, 12 o'clock. Like, I've just been resting. But yeah, guys, not gonna lie, I'm not in the best of moods today. A lot of stuff, something happened yesterday after like I left my friend and I went to camp. It was a lot of fun, but something ended up happening last night and I don't know, I'm just in like a weird mood. Just a little sad, but yeah. So yeah. I want to film a get ready with me. I'm gonna try to do that this weekend. Kind of just talking about some of the stuff that's been on my mind. Like a nice little girls talk. So stay tuned for that video because I will be posting it. But I actually have a lot of work that I need to try to catch up on right now. I need to respond to some emails and work on some stuff. But if I end up doing anything exciting later, I will bring you guys along. Guys, so we just made it to the winery. I feel so overdressed right now, but I feel cute. I love my outfit. But it's definitely not the vibe. In my head, I thought like winery, I thought like cute vibes. It's cute in here, but it's just, I'm extremely overdressed. So, yeah. Today is Saturday, and I'm with Sheena. We are at this winery called Sablegate Winery, and like I was saying in the bathroom, I feel so overdressed. But it is what it is. It's a cute little vibe in here. We're gonna do a wine tasting, order some food because neither of us have ate all day. So we definitely need some food before we start sipping this wine.
I know you're more than guys. They've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good. They wanna see if it's true.
Alright guys, so we're just leaving the winery. It was good, but we were wanting a little more than that. Like, the lady just kind of threw down all the wines, gave us a description and then just left. And we were really wanting to learn, like be educated on the different types of wine, but it was still cool. But now we are on our way to another spot.
They know you're the one, I wanna be with you. I've been waiting, we gonna make a move.
Black ass nigga, $250,000 on his wrist. Black ass nigga with a badass bitch. I should love it, but she know I ain't bragging.
I'm twerking in this little tennis skirt. We decided to go to the River Oaks to take some pictures. We just left Nomad.
It was fun.
It was fun. They were trying to act funny towards the end. Like as soon as we got up, that's when they wanted to try to give us shots.
Try to talk, try to get our numbers.
Right.
No, thank you.
Right as we're leaving.
Good luck, ladies.
Have a good night.
Thanks, you too. So pretty. Hey guys. So I made it back home. Today was so much fun. I really enjoyed my time out with Sheena. We had a good time. I didn't do too much this week. I've really just been chilling, living life, and just, I don't know, I feel like your body kind of tells you whenever you're tired. And I feel like I've just been all around drained with a lot of stuff. So this week was really good to just kind of chill. And yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog off here. And hopefully I can have it edited and uploaded by tomorrow, fingers crossed. If not, I'll have it uploaded on Monday. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. I had so much fun. I really enjoyed my time just off of work. Anyways guys, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have an amazing week filled with blessings, prosperity, love, success. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed, but I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.